Hi, I'm Raymond Kaur, CMO and co-founder of FoodFox.
Hi, I'm Gurmeet Singh, CEO and co-founder of FoodFox. FoodFox is an app-based food ordering platform with a B2B approach. We bring college, university and hospital canteens online. Though food tech industry has evolved a lot, but everybody has conveniently ignored this space. So this entire market is completely blue ocean and no direct competition and no organized player is operating in this market.
The problem we are trying to solve here with FoodFox app is A. Mainly cutting down on the waiting time of the consumers where they do not have to stand in the long queues. The best part of this app is children, people, they can place their orders sitting at their respective place and they can reach the canteen only when the food is absolutely ready. This app comes pretty handy with universities and institutions where we all know that the lunch break is only for 30 minutes.
So our expansion plan is purely B2B, where our sales team, including me, we approach the canteen service providers and showcase our product, convince them, and bring their entire existing menu online. Once the entire menu is online, then the marketing comes into play.
When the canteen is online, our marketing team sets up the entire canteen area where they put up the stickers, posters and standees, and their main job is to talk to the customers, help them in downloading the app and placing their orders through our app.
Thanks to the marketing technique we adopt, our customer acquisition cost is extremely low. It is as low as about 10 to 15 rupees per customer. We are today trying to raise 3 CR funding, which will be purely utilized for growth, and about 15% will go into enhancement of our platform. That's it. Thank you very much. Thanks for listening to us.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.